I want to talk about max pain for Bitcoin, guys. I'm away home from a poker game. I was playing some poker, and I thought that I would make a video for you guys talking about what I think the max pain situation for Bitcoin could be, because I see Bitcoin trading at about about $86,000. And I do expect a little bit of a push towards potentially $90,000. Now, the question is, do we expect Bitcoin to break down from there? Or is that we saw the big move to the downside, the bottom is in, now we should expect a V-shaped recovery, guys? Well, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Maxi. I got another video for you guys. I'm in my car. Just thought I want to make this breaking news video for you. It's not really breaking news, just some of my thoughts on Bitcoin after this drawdown we saw. And guys, I want to be honest with you. I trade a lot of altcoins. I leverage trade. I short when the market's going down. I long when the market's going up. I am a trader. But when it comes to Bitcoin, I am an investor. I am a long-term hodler. I believe in Bitcoin. And usually the goal with my altcoin positions is how much can I make versus Bitcoin? Can I make more money with altcoins to buy more Bitcoin? That's usually my goal. And I do believe that right now we should be expecting a little bit of relief across the board for Bitcoin and altcoins. And that's why I have closed the majority of my shorts, basically hedge positions, out. I've closed the majority of them down. But I do want to emphasize that I do expect a little bit of relief into March. But guys, if we don't close above very, very key, if we don't see basically a news event that sends us to new all-time highs here, if we reject off of, say, like $90,000, $94,000, we could come and test that once support level as resistance. Then I do expect a breakdown. I'll be opening up some shorts on lots of altcoins, guys. If you do want to take advantage of this volatility that is definitely soon to come here, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, as well as a $5.6 million trading competition. So the more trading volume our team does, the higher likelihood we will win and be able to split $5.6 million. So if you're an active trader, I really recommend you check out Blowfin in the description box or the pinned comment down below. But guys, I do really think that right now everyone's quiet. They feel defeated because we've been hit with rug pull after rug pull, extracting liquidity out of space, and it's just been absolutely relentless since basically January. And now we're into March. We're still in Q1, and there's a decent chance that the Bitcoin cycle top is in for this cycle. Now, that's one situation. Another situation is maybe we go into, it wouldn't be unheard of, a mini bear market, a mid-cycle bear market during the bull market, a mini bear inside of the full-on bull. We saw that play out in 2020 and 2021. We could see that play out again. We could see that. We have about 245 days, but really 238 days, I checked yesterday, until the potential peak of this bull market, if you were to base it on past cycles. Now, it doesn't mean it has to play out exactly the same way as every single cycle. Usually it doesn't. Usually every time it is different. But I do believe that I'm not going to say that this cycle is over until the fat lady sings, guys. But guys, you know what I'm doing right now when it comes to Bitcoin? I still buy. I'm buying every day. I'm a perma bull on Bitcoin, probably until we get to like $1 million Bitcoin. I think that's very, very possible, especially when the inflation rate is constantly going up with US dollars. It'd be silly not to be a Bitcoin bull. And as the market gets redder, say this isn't a mini bear market and this is actually the top is in, well, guys, then I'm going to continue to accumulate Bitcoin. And as lower and lower Bitcoin goes, max pain would be Bitcoin going to, say, like $50,000. The lower it goes, the more I'm going to buy. I buy Bitcoin every single day, guys. I'm going to continue to buy it the more red it gets. And I know that it can be tough. When FTX collapsed and we saw a wick down to 16,000, people were scared. But you know what I was doing? I was buying that dip. I bought $8 Solana. I bought a bunch of Bitcoin, and it paid off. And I've been taking profit along the way. Because, guys, The market trades in cycles, and I do believe that there will be a top at some point. We won't just go to infinity forever. Well, maybe Bitcoin will go to infinity as long as quantum computing doesn't destroy it all, but I don't think that will happen for many, many, many years. But regardless, I will buy Bitcoin every day, and as it gets more red, I will buy more, and I will continue to hodl. And when it becomes an appropriate time to trade altcoins versus Bitcoin, that's what I'll do, guys. Like, I am shorting meme coins, but the majority of my shorts are basically gone. And what I do is I take those profits and I buy Bitcoin, because that's the name of the game. You know, a lot of people lose sight. They lose sight of what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. Guys, Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin still is king, and I believe it will always be king. It has no CEO. It has nobody to all of a sudden increase more Bitcoin. It's proof of work. I think that I will always buy Bitcoin, probably until it's $1 million. And even then, maybe things will change. Maybe that time it'll be $10 million Bitcoin. But regardless, guys, you got to be looking at the long-term horizon when the market is selling off, because I think a lot of people have given up. And I don't really blame a lot of the meme coin traders and altcoin traders, because everyone's been calling for altcoin season, and, well, it's been a tough spot to be in. It's been tough because we're in a different kind of macroeconomic situation that we were back in 2021 and 2022, really 2020 and 2021. We had all that stimulus money. There were PPE loans. There was so many things going on. There's all this liquidity moving out throughout the space, and this time is different. People are worried about the price of eggs. Retail investors have gotten all their money stolen and robbed from these meme coin rug pulls, guys. It's almost like we had meme coin season instead of altcoin season. It was taken away from us. And that's just how it is. Every cycle will be different. They rhyme, but they'll be different. You know, we saw NFT season back in 2021. And I think this cycle, it was meme coin season. Pure mania. We haven't seen the utility run just yet. And I am very curious. You know, if we do see a mini bear market and we do get a recovery, say, all of a sudden there's new stimulus going out into the market, the Federal Reserve pivots to quantitative easing, then I do think that altcoin season still has a chance, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Do you think that altcoin season still has a chance, or is it done for? Is this cycle top in? I'm very, very curious on what you guys have to say about that. Let me know in the comment section below. But regardless, guys, I want you to be patient and realize what the goal is in the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin is a hedge. It is a hedge against inflation. It is a hedge against money printing. And it's a hedge against, really, the entire money system across the globe. And that's why I will continue to buy Bitcoin every single day. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Do you think we're going to have an altcoin season, or do you think that this cycle is over? Or are we going to have that mini bear inside the bull? I'm very curious. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.